Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, we are back with another hair tutorial. Today's video will be sponsored by Upretty Hair, and it is this beautiful 99J body wave 5x5 lace closure. So if you want to see exactly how I was able to install this wig without glue, without any spray, then continue to watch this video. Alrighty, so as I mentioned, this video is sponsored by Upretty Hair. So here is a quick little unboxing. So you guys see I got some eyelashes, an edge brush, a bonnet, a scarf, some wig caps, some hair clips, a rat tail comb. You pretty much got everything you need, sis, okay? So here is the box. You're gonna have a card in there that has all of their socials as well as exactly how to care for the hair. And here is the wig. As you guys can tell, the color is absolutely beautiful. I wanted to give you guys a close-up on this lace as well because the lace is super transparent. This is without bleaching, you guys, and the knots on this lace is extremely thin. So that just makes it even better when it comes to bleaching as well as installing and making sure that it looks natural. So as you guys saw from the title of this video, this is going to be completely glueless. So no spray, no glue at all. You guys know I love doing this with my closures. So first of all, look how that blended so easily with my natural skin color, okay? This is going to be a perfect install. So the first thing I did was I put the wig on my head. Then I just measured my head with the elastic band and I tied the elastic band from one end of the closure to the other end of the closure. It's that simple, okay? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on and just adjust it. Of course, the first thing you guys are going to see me do is just pluck the closure just a little bit more. It does come pre-plucked, but I wanted to, you know, tighten it up a little bit, make it exactly how I wanted it to. So once I get towards like the styling portion, then I will come back. Alrighty, you guys, so now that I pretty much got majority of the work out of the way, it is time for my favorite part, which is the hot comb. So I'm going in with my wax stick and then I'm going to go ahead with my hot comb. Using a hot comb to install your wigs, just lay the wigs down perfectly, makes it look like scalp. It also just gives you a clearer view as to how the lace is looking after you plucked it. So it's kind of like another way to double check. But either way, this is really what lays your wigs, okay? The hot comb is necessary if you're looking for a very natural, seamless, flat install, all right? So as you guys can see here, right now, what I'm doing is I am putting on some makeup because I don't normally do the ball cap method when it comes to my wig caps. I just kind of feel like it's pointless because I don't keep my wigs on all the time. So I'm just going in with makeup just to make sure that I'm covering that line of demarcation from the wig cap because I don't want people to be able to see that. So now I'm going to go ahead and just cut in the center of the lace, and then I use the razor to get rid of all the additional lace that I no longer need. And to clean it up, I go in with my scissors. You guys know that the razor doesn't necessarily get up everything. Sometimes you'll have like those little pieces sticking up. I just go in with my scissors to get rid of that, just to make sure it's completely flat and, you know, nothing's rising or anything like that. So now that the lace is pretty much laying exactly how I want it to, I'm just going back in with some makeup just to cover up, you know, the lace line from basically where it starts. Like I said, we don't want to see any lines of demarcation or anything like that. It has to look like it's scalp, as you know, to some extent. Lace is a texture, so obviously you're going to see it, but you want to give the illusion of scalp. All right, so I actually was debating as to what style I wanted to do, and because I just loved the color so much and how full the hair is, I was like, let me just go in with the classic middle part. Like, you can style this however you want to. When it comes to closures, I pretty much think that they're very easy to style. It doesn't matter if they're not like 13x4. You can still do cute hairstyles with this, but I decided to go ahead with the classic middle part. So once I got that middle part out the way, then I went in with my hot comb to make it flatter, and I did flat iron one side of the hair off camera, and as you guys can see, the hair is gorgeous. Like, the color just speaks for itself. Like, you don't really need to do too much to this hair, you know? So now I'm gonna go ahead and style the other side, well, flat iron it, and I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I'll come back towards the end. Alrighty, you guys, so that is it for the tutorial. Super easy, right? Let me tell you guys something. Whenever you have a closure, definitely do this elastic band method. Save yourself some time and energy, okay? I want to thank Upretty Hair for sponsoring this video. All the info will be listed in the description box, of course. Make sure you guys give this video a very big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, I will see you guys next time. Bye.